Hi, welcome back to the workshop for episode 14 of the Great Guitar Build Off 2022 project. And this time we're going to take the two bits of maple that we cut last time and turn them into the top of the guitar. So last episode we got this material for the top kind of dimensioned up, but it still needs a little bit of work before we're ready to actually joint it and get it glued up. As I said, my thickness kind of could do with a new set of blades, so there's some little lumps and bumps and inconsistencies in this finish. So we'll get the bench stop out, break out a nice sharp hand plane, and we'll just kind of spend 5 minutes just cleaning the surfaces of this maple up. Okay, and that didn't take much. It was literally just a quick skim to get the worst of the roughness off. It's actually quite a nice board. Probably can't see it in this light, but there's some quite nice figure in there, which is great. So the next step is we need to true the two jointing faces up. Okay, and that's all gone really well. Hasn't taken that much work at all to get a nice even joint all the way along these two boards. Amazing. So really happy with that. Now the first time I did this job it took me absolutely hours to get it right, and I'd sort of whittled away at a lot of the material available to me, so in the end the top I was left with was only just big enough for what I needed. But as you get used to it, you do it a few times, you get your eye in and you can actually get some really good results. So yeah, happy with this one now, ready to go to glue. And I always go for a 5 clamp setup when I'm joining these tops up. 2 clamps, one at each end underneath, and another clamp on top. And that acts to kind of even out any clamping pressure you might have. And then I'll set up some stout coils at either end and put a big clamp in the middle of those, just to make sure that everything is being held together kind of consistently at the ends and it's keeping the glue up nice and straight. Okay, time to get some tight bond on the job. Okay, so this is sat now for a few hours. The glue is good and dry, I can see that. So time to get it out of the clamps. But before I do that, I want to do today's recommended build. And this one's coming from McD Guitars. So it's for Modelwork Amp Works in the Crucible. I've had a quick look at this build. It's a kit build, but I think it's going to be absolutely brilliant. So I've left a link in the comments for that one. So head over there, have a look at it, leave them a comment, share some love, and everyone's going to be happy. Okay, let's get these clamps off. And there we have the top. I think that's come out quite nice. There's a little bit of cleaning up to do on the joint, a little bit of squeeze out, definitely some on the back as well. But I have to say, I'm really pleased with the way that that's gone together. So obviously the next step on this is to get it marked up and to get the shape of the guitar cut out of it so we can start the carving process. But I'm going to leave that till the next episode. So don't forget to check those links out in the description. Like if you've liked, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.